Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRWI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day. Big volume, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above this $1.84 mark, that would be a great sign of power. I say continue because you can see here through the course of the day, including the final 30 minutes right there, the bears try to press down through that level, but each and every time the bulls held strong. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price does drop below there, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be the best case scenario going forward. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize that the purple line is way down there and the closing price was way up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to continue to move its way upwards like this and essentially draw an uptrending trend line. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's uptrending? Well, the price itself needs to uptrend. And by definition, that's what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So again, easy way to look at this, big picture perspective. As long as the price is above that purple line going forward, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health. Now, what about levels of resistance? Two main ones. The first one is what I call the fun one, and that's just the previous highs. I call it the fun one just because, yeah, everybody loves to talk about testing previous highs, breaking new highs, and that's where $2.34 comes into play. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be crossed, and that is right here at $2.20. You can see on a couple different occasions, both there and there, the bulls try to press up through it, but couldn't quite do it. So yeah, 235 is a level of resistance, and that is the fun one to talk about. But before you talk about that one, first got to get up above the $2.20 mark. So no doubt about it, though, very nice day today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.